actually we come to higher order differential equation, linear, degree 1. Consider this as, you can consider this as a naught d1 y by dxn plus a1 dn minus 1 by dx to the power n minus 1, a2 one order less. Likewise, this is an minus 1 dy by dx, and finally an is equal to. See the symbolic notation. This is, you can say, symbolic notation. Get very frequent. This is actually a naught dn plus a1 d to the power n minus 1 plus a2 d to the power n minus 2. Here y. Here. There must be y. Likewise, an y0. There is an auxiliary equation normally written at A is a naught d to the power n plus a1 d to the power n minus 1 plus a2 plus an0. Means we write this by removing this. Now its solution is y into sum of all complementary functions. I think you are getting nothing, but when I gave you example, you will know. Sum of all complementary functions. Where? Complementary function. I write it as CF. Where? CF depends upon nature of root. Nature of roots. It will be as follows. It will be as follows. If you want to write. Actually, when we have to solve this type of equation, when 0 is there, if there is some function of x, you will get again a new thing called pi, particular integral, but I am not going up to this. I just want to show how is the solution of this equation depending upon the nature of roots. It will be as follows. So what do you think? This is higher order differential equation. Actually, we write dn by dxn as dn. This is symbolic notation. So this becomes this. Remove this y. This is auxiliary equation. And what is the solution of this differential equation? What I have written, its solution is again the same thing. This is equation. If integrating factor exists, this is integrating factor. Here not integrating factor. Here auxiliary equation and complementary function. So what is the solution? Y into sum of all complementary function. And where simply complementary function depends upon nature of roots. Means roots are real, equal, real, unequal, imaginary. And you have to learn that table. Nature of roots. So you write and let me make a list of complementary function. And that is easy. Actually, what you have to learn? Complementary function. See. Actually, you can say this is auxiliary equation. This is roots. Actually, no. Roots of auxiliary equation, and this is complementary function CF. What are roots? Suppose roots are alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Actually, this is real and distinct. This is what? Real and distinct. So what is this? This is actually C1 e to the power alpha 1x How does it come? You will learn in engineering college. C3 e to the power alpha 3x and so on. If there are more roots, you add hundreds. Therefore, I get sum of all complementary functions. Now, see. Suppose roots are alpha, alpha, beta, beta, beta. Real and equal. And I have taken two types. Two roots are real and equal. Three roots are real and equal. Theoretical. What is this? It will be like this. For this one, we have C1 plus C2 x e to the power of x. For this one. And for this one, let me change the color. Beta, beta, beta. This is, now, for first beta, this is C3, change this number. For second beta, this is C4x. For third beta, this is what? C5x square. If there is one more beta, this will be, see the pattern, if there will be one more beta, then I will write what? Then I will write C6x2 cube. But there are three, start with constant, with power of x1, power of x2, or in d to the power what? Beta x. This is. And finally, when roots are imaginary, what we finally get? We have to learn. What we finally get? Roots are imaginary. Alpha plus minus alpha beta. This is C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin. C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin. You can say beta x into e to the power alpha x. Into e to the power alpha x. Suppose there is gamma plus this one. Imaginary root. You will write imaginary root. Then what? Again. Actually, this is written from imaginary part. This is written from what? This is written from what? This is written from imaginary part. So this is what? This is, you say, C3 cos delta x plus C4 sin delta x and e to the power what? E to the power gamma x. One more point is there. What happens if there are two? This is final one. If imaginary roots repeats twice, what happens? This is our final point. So, this will be, come here, this is C1 plus x C2 cos beta x. Follow same pattern. C3 plus x C4. Since there are two alpha and alpha. What we had? C1 plus C2x. Just like this. With cos beta x, we have to multiply it up. Then again C3 plus x C4 sin beta x. And finally what? It's finally e to the power what? Let me take a bracket in between. Okay. What? This is, you can say, alpha x. So this is the way. To get complementary function. Let me discuss some question. One or two question is enough. If you find that it is asked in any examination, if you get it from previous year question bank, you can review. Or let's wait for engineering college. Let me write some questions. Suppose you have to solve. This is you can say my first question of this very section. Suppose you have to solve this as d2y by dx square minus 7dy by dx plus 10y is equal to 0. What will we have to do? First of all, auxiliary equation is what? For auxiliary equation, what we write? We write dy add d means this is what? This is d square minus 7d plus 10 is equal to 0. If you solve it, easy, you can get d is equal to 2 and 5. Actually, this is our alpha 1 and alpha 2. Now you get it? Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are roots of auxiliary equation. This is alpha 1 and alpha 2. What is its nature? Real and distinct. So solution of differential equation is, you have to write y. What is the result? C1 e to the power alpha 1x plus C2 e to the power alpha 2x. This is the result for distinct, real and distinct roots. Then what is it? This is C1 e to the power 2x plus C2 e to the power 5x. Actually this part is called complementary function. This is the solution. In higher classes there will be a function of x. For this you will find particular integral, and then in particular integral has different area to solve, and then you add to get complete solution. That is the other part. I am just doing higher order differential of degree 1 and right side 0. This one. So now I will give one work here. Take this equation, try to form differential equation by eliminating what? By eliminating C1 and C2. You will get this one. Try yourself. This is, there are two arbitrary constants. We have to differentiate twice. And when we remove C1 and C2, we will get this one. This is the idea. Now, come to next one. Suppose I take equation number 2. I take like this of 3 degree. d3y by dx cube minus 6 dy by dx square plus 11 dy by dx minus 6y is equal to 0. What is auxiliary equation? This is d cube, for this d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6 is 0. Do you know this is very common? Very common. This is actually d minus 1 into d minus 2 into d minus 3 0. If you haven't get it till now get it. This is very common. I leave factorization on you. 1, 2, 3. So what is the solution? Solution is, what solution of this equation is? Actually c to the power what? Alpha 1x plus c2 e to the power what? Alpha 2x plus c3 e to the power what? Alpha 3x. This is actually your alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. So what is the answer? c1 e to the power x, alpha 1 is 1, c2 e to the power 2x and c3 e to the power 3x. Number 2. Okay. Now these are real and distinct roots. Now come to next question. Suppose I take d2y by dx square minus 4 dy by dx plus 4 is equal to 4y. Sometimes I miss y. 4y is equal. What is this? A is, see solution, what is A? Actually A is what? This is d square minus 4d plus 4 0. When we solve, this is d minus 2 whole square 0. This is what? This is d is equal to 2 and 2. This is d is equal to 2 and 2. So what is this? This will not work. Why? This will not work now. Why? These are real and equal. You have just to learn the table what I have written. What is the solution? This is actually I have written C1 plus x C2 or C2x e to the power alpha x. So what? This is C1 plus x C2 e to the power 2x. Alpha is 2. Alpha is what? This is alpha. Alpha is 2. Again, if you try to eliminate C1 and C2 from here, you get this equation. No? Come to one more question. You can say next one is, let me erase. You can say, suppose this is d2y by dx square minus 4 dy by dx plus 5y0. Right. I am taking the equation in such a way so that roots are what? So that roots will be what? Roots will be, you can say, imaginary. Let me raise this one. See the solution. What is auxiliary equation? This auxiliary equation is you say d square minus 4d plus 50. This is d square, this is d, and remove y, this is 5. Solve it. Actually this is 4 plus minus 16 minus 20 by 2. Am I correct? This is 4 plus minus 2 iota by 2. Then this is what? Actually this is what? 2 plus minus iota means alpha plus minus iota beta. If we compare it with alpha plus iota beta, it gives what? It gives alpha is 2 and beta is 1, not minus 1. Plus minus, beta is 1. So what is the solution? Solution is, what is the solution? Solution, recall the solution is y is equal to, actually this is what? This is C1 sin beta x plus C2 cos beta x e to the power alpha x. This is the solution. So what is beta? This is C1 sin x plus C2 cos x into what? E to the power 2x. Again, you can make experiment if you try to eliminate. If you try to eliminate alpha and beta from what? If you try to eliminate alpha and beta not. C1 and C2 from what? This. You will get a differential equation. You will get a differential equation. If you want to do, you can do it. It's easy. Oh. Differentiate, again differentiate, and you will get it. Let's this question. Suppose this is the question. Form a differential equation whose solution is, let me do, whose solution is C1 sin x plus C2 cos x e to the power 2x. Is y is equal to this. Suppose this is question number 5. What will be the answer? This will be the answer. Let me write the answer. This is the part. This is the meaning of solution. This is the meaning of solution. Means from here you get here, and when you form differential equation from this you will get this. This is just a meaning. As in quadratic or cubic equation, this value satisfies. This is formation. Equation to solution, solution to equation. We have to eliminate C1 and C2. From where I starts, at that point I hit, because दुनिया गोल है. More examples. Suppose let me write like this. Solution of auxiliary equation and solution of differential equation. I am not taking equation. Suppose the solution is, suppose when you say fd is equal to 0, suppose you get solution as 2, 3, 4, 4 and 4. Then what will be the solution of differential? Suppose there is a 5 degree. Suppose there is a 5 degree differential equation. Suppose there is a 5 degree differential equation whose roots of auxiliary equation are 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Then what will be the solution? You will write for real and distinct roots. You root what? C1 e to the power 2x plus C2 e to the power 3x. And what you write for this one? What will you write for this one? For this one you will write C3 plus x C4 plus x square C5 e to the power 4x. Get it? See the table. Let me take one more example like this. And you have to solve 5 degree bifactorization. Suppose fd is equal to 0. We'll give equations like this. X is equal to 1 plus minus iota. You can say 2, 2 and 3. Then what you write? Suppose y is equal to. For this one, alpha is what? 1. Beta is what? 1. So you write cos beta x means cos x plus c1 plus what? c2 sin x. What after that? E to the power x, since alpha and beta are x. For this one, what will you write? For this one, you will write c1 is c3 plus x c4. Repeated roots. This is what? E to the power 2x. And for this single, c5 e to the power 5x and so on. So what are the nature of auxiliary? What are the nature of roots of auxiliary equation? On this depends upon the solution. You should have idea. If it comes in some engineering examination, sometimes I have seen question in West Bengal, JEE and CET Karnataka. If still is syllabus, you do it for that examination, or otherwise, I have given you a big idea how we study. What is the method of study differential equation higher classes? A form is given, sometimes integrating factor is given, auxiliary equation, complementary function, all you have to learn.